warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be on the way very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. The teams then, Lyon against Arsenal. I'm Peter Drury, and it's my chance to say that it is an absolute delight to have Jim Beglin beside me.
Thanks for that, Peter. Hi, everyone. The excitement has really picked up now, and I'm eager for the action to start.
And that gets things running. He's through, it's one-on-one! And TT boots it to safety. Jallet. Dardin. Now it's Lacazette. Who's going to make this theirs? Looking to force his way through. Welbeck passes it through. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Well, the idea was crafty, but the weight of the pass was just a little light.
Now it's Lacazette. Lacazette plays a clever pass. And he's cut it out. Monreal tries to get it forward quickly. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Played out to the right. And it's Chalet. And that's clear cut, it's a free kick. It's not taken him long, and that's going to be a booking. Alexis Sanchez. It's good progress he's made on the ball. Where to next? It's been a rather gentle affair so far. Badimo. Welbeck. Aimed long and direct. That'll be a throw. Lacazette. Badimo. Lacazette. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Oxlade-Chamberlain pumps it forwards. Welbeck driving forward, a man on a mission. Out wide to the right. Hector Bellerin cuts it out. It's a loose ball. Tries to dink it in. Well, it did look promising to start with, but in the end they were thwarted before they could even make it into the final third.
Midway through the first half, and there's an impotence about this game that's causing me concern, and probably most of the stadium too. Let's just hope that by the end it'll have been forgotten.
And he's made certain that won't get through. Tried to play it through.
Yeah, and it was a case of good awareness too. That wasn't quite matched by the right weight of pass. It only needed just a little bit more behind it, and he was through.
Thrust towards the front line. Lovely close control. Lyon get it back again. It's a fabulous position. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Now it's Oxlade-Chamberlain. Now it's Cazorla. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. The referee's awarded a free kick. Well, that's a booking, always looked it. Needed a better pass there. The Lacazette. Gets on the end of it. That's Lacazette. Can he finish? Goal! Lyon! And Lyon are in front. Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
I just think it's clever positioning from clever movement, and when all of that is synchronised with the right pass, that's what happens.
Lyon take the lead.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
Tries a through ball, turns and goes back. Dardai pumps it upfield. And it's Lacazette. Defending was strong and firm. Dardai. Lacazette. Yeah, he's fouled him there. And it's Betimo. Welbeck. Betimo. Oxlade check. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Oxlade-Chamberlain has been sent off. Now the pass. And he's onside. And we've reached half-time.
Well, it hasn't exactly got the plan so far, but there's no need to panic. There's still plenty of time to get back into this. As always, an early goal would help swing things back in their favour.
There's the start of the second half.
Arsenal need to get the balance right to sort this out. Ambition must be complemented by just the right amount of caution, and I think the more experienced players can oversee that.
Defence has got rid of that. Betimo. A mixture of good defending and indecisive passing. No progress. Mertesacker does well there. Alert. Spoon forward. That's not going to make it. Wilshere. Cazorla. Dardai. Jallet pushes it out wide. Dardai. And it's Lacazette. Keeps everyone guessing. He's in. Turns and goes back. Going for goal. Oh, my word, that is fantastic. Sumptuous finish, an absolute joy. Two to the good. They have breathing.